Traders, I got a weekly chart, MicroStrategy, MSTR. Everybody knows about the stock split, 10 for 1 stock split as of today. The stock has a low, it's right here, of one, I'll read it to you. So the low on MicroStrategy on the weekly is factored at 102 with the high of 119 in this candle. So today's price movement is 128.06 on the low, and we made a new high of 136.09. We are currently have a $9.48 breakout. Look at how beautiful going out to September 20th right here and buying the 130 calls at $16. They made a high of $20 on the high. Right now the bid 1875 by 1970 last print, 110 contracts at 1785. Yes. So identifying the gap down, it's a 10 for 1 stock split. And we feature every 10 for 1 stock split. Now, what does it mean? It means that the beta, the dollar price movement, comes out of the stock. You don't get as much as you had prior to the split. But you make big money because why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. If I'm buying the 130s like we did and you buy 10 contracts at $16, it's only $16,000. And you sell at 20, you just made 4,000. So look at these are affordable. You couldn't buy. You had to spend 10,000 a contract to trade MicroStrategy. But now that you're here with turbo option trading, you got the head trader of MicroStrategy talking to you now. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't you wait. Don't you hesitate. Not only that, be grateful.